be all right when her
Sophia
husband
needs a
gets
picture
her.
of that.
One wing
She
don't
does.
look good. The one wing looks down.
You.
Goodness.
Where'd he go?
It's me on the sink.
I think maybe it's okay. Put it outside.
She's pretty deaf now, but other than that.
Did she take off?
No, she's sitting in the sink.
Don't put her in.
Won't she go? She wants to come back in when it's warm.
She's dad's
That
friend.
is
Funny.
Oh my god.
You should just leave her in the house.
No, get rid of her.
You have a bird
She
cage.
seems to like it in
I get
here.
him.
Oh gosh.
You have a bird cage, Mom. Yeah, you do have a bird cage.
Oh shit.
Mom, don't
Oh
swear.
my
or
gosh,
this is
was
going
that
on
funny?
YouTube.
She looks a little one-sided.
Put her.
She
Put
can
her
fly
on
just
Facebook for
fine.
Dad.
Sorry, Cher.
You're good.
Yeah, well, huh? Go ahead.
Oh, you're
Dad.
sitting-
Oh!
That's good.
You're gonna make her hurt herself.
You're gonna make me see myself.
I think she's fine.
She
I
just
think
wants
it's
out.
okay.
We need to get Dad a dog.
Okay.
Oh my Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, you're making me.
She says, what the
I'm
hell?
gonna have
Okay.
bird lice.
Bird license.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was priceless.
I think her one leg's hurt.
Well, no
You let her
wonder.
down, she goes
She
way
probably
back.
hit it on the china cupboard.
That's pretty good.
She's still there. Looks like she's leaning way over.
That was funny.
My gosh, Dad.
Well, we had a bird in the house worth 2 in the hand, right?
No.
I only got bass pictures. You go get her.